Hi friends, my name is Pankaj and in this video I will be talking about curring function in JavaScript. So what is curring function in JavaScript and what is the syntax and what is the use of curring function, and we will also talk about some interview questions which will be in the further videos. So for this video, let's cover up what is curring function. So curring function is a functional programming concept where a function takes multiple arguments and transform into a series of conditional function calls. So you might be confusing what is curring function. So let's take a example for this. So here we have on the left side simple function. So we have some function which takes argument a and b and it will return the sum a and a plus b. And the curring function basically series of function call as per our uh, definition. It it is a series of conditional function call, but here we can see it is a we are calling function inside function, but it is not conditional. As this definition says, it should be conditional. So it is taking multiple argument and transforming into a series of functional call, but not conditional function call. So the problem here is it is not conditional here. So once we add the condition, this will become the curring function. Now we will understand how we can add this condition. So here we have this sum function, and in this we are taking three arguments A, B, and C, and we are calling it. So if we just call by passing these three numbers 1, 2, 3, this will return the sum 6. Now, what will be the condition uh, on that basis? We will uh, calculate this sum. So let's say if we are passing three arguments and later we don't pass any argument. So the condition will be whether we are passing argument or we are not passing arguments. So this will be the base condition. So to convert this function, we will let's say just take two argument. So in this case, what will happen? We will add the condition for the third argument, whether we are passing the argument or not. Let's say even remove this as well. So we will pass the first argument and then second argument, whether we will pass it or not pass it. So let's say we have one that will be assigned to A, and then after calling this function, this will return this function inner function. So in this inner function, we can either call it by passing the two, or we won't pass it and we won't pass anything. So if we pass two, let's say, so what should happen if let's say if we pass two, then B should be non-null or non-zero. So in that case, we will sum up like A and B. We will sum up. We will add them, but we will not return them directly. Instead of that, we will call the outer function sum, and inside that we will pass the sum A plus B, and again pass in the sum function. So this A will contain A plus B sum. So after returning it, we can this function will basically return this inner function again. So we can either call that inner function or by passing some argument, let's say third argument, or we won't pass anything. So let's say if we have not passed anything, so in that case, then our sum will be contained in A. So we will just return A. So as we have passed this sum into A, So w- after that, like if we are not passing any B, then it should return the A because that will contain the sum. So this is the final condition. Let's say we add the 3 and we call it. So output is 6. So in the next video, we will study like few interview questions. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys.